got a new video camera, and we're gonna see if it works out here at this dump. I sure hope so, because I really like it. It connects to your iPhone, and we're gonna see if it works. Alright, I'll get back to you if I find something else. If I find something good. Alright. Alright, now this is a cool find right here. Look at that little motorcycle. That is cool. Alright. Getting somewhere now. Alright. Alright, look what just else popped up right there. Another car. That's what is that? I can't tell right now. I can't see. I'll have to get it cleaned up. But that's a cool car. Alright, I got a car and a motorcycle. Right there. A car and a motorcycle. Cool. Alright. Look like I just pulled up right here, y'all. IBC. Alright, y'all, just pulled up this black pepper right here. Very cool. Alright. That's it for my hunt today. Hope this camera did well. This is my first time using it, so we'll see. See y'all back. Hey, Jamie here with Country Diggers again. I got me my Nolta camcorder, and I wanted to try it out and see how it worked. So I took it to the dump near my house this morning and tried it out and found a few things, so I want to show you what I found. Alright, here we go. Alright, found this nice little purple button right here. 2 holes. And I found this. It's not a Hot Wheels, it's a Jaguar. My first toy car of the year. And it's made in China, but it's a nice little Jaguar car. And then this little 4-wheeler that I found, that I dug up, which is cool. And then I found this. Check that out. It's a IBC soft drink, and I think these were in the 1970s, early 80s, but you can tell it's kind of chipped right in there, so I think maybe it would make a good drinking glass, I hope. We'll check it out and see. And cut it right in there maybe, and make a good drinking glass out of it. We'll see. But want to remind y'all about the 150 subscriber giveaway we got going on. Just subscribe, like, and comment on the giveaway time video. Just like and comment on it, and you'll be entered for the 150 subscriber giveaway. So we'll see y'all Sunday. We're going out Sunday and dig, and we'll see you back then. Have a great weekend, y'all.